In this video, we are going to see how we can get the transcript of any YouTube video so that you can easily search for a specific word or a sentence, and it will take you to this section in the transcript. And also it is much easier to identify if you see the text of the transcript as well. So it's very easy to find. How you can do it, let's see. First of all, just head over to YouTube and search for a specific video for which you want to get the transcript. Just scroll down, and when we see this more in the description, you click on that and click on show transcript. And on the right hand side, it will open the transcript, and obviously you have a search transcript option as well. And you search for any specific text, and it should be able to find that in the transcript, so that makes it very easy for you to read. Now, some of you might be thinking how we can download that transcript. Unfortunately, with the new update of YouTube, there is this 3 dotted icon from which you had that option to download the transcript, but now you don't. So you might need a third-party application for that. Directly in YouTube, you cannot do that in the latest update. So that's about it. That's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.